Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. Today, you learn how to install and start the sheet metal workbench and also about the sheet metal workbench base shapes like flat, L-shape, U-shape, tub, hat, and box shape. Sheet metal is an external workbench and does not belong to the standard FreeCAD installation. This workbench can be installed from the add-in manager. Sheet metal base shape command creates a sheet metal base shape object from parameters. There are 6 available base shapes such as flat, L-shape, U-shape, tub, hat, and box. There are several ways to invoke sheet metal base shape tool. The first option is directly pressing the sheet metal base shape button. And the second option is to select the sheet metal and then activate the sheet metal base shape from the menu. The K-factor in sheet metal is a ratio that defines the location of the neutral axis inside the material during a bend. It depends on the material, bending operation, bending angle, and bending radius. Here you find the 6 available FreeCAD sheet metal base shapes. When you activate, the sheet metal base shape tool opens the task panel with some parameters. In the task panel, you have a choice to select the base shape type and also to change the parameters of the selected shape. In step 1, we start the FreeCAD and then install the FreeCAD sheet metal workbench. From the Tool menu, select the Add-in Manager. Here, search the sheet metal workbench and then install it. As you see, I installed it already. After the installation, please restart the FreeCAD again. Now, I will show you how to invoke sheet metal base shape tool. Next, I will show you how to create a flat sheet metal and also how to set the parameters. First, activate the sheet metal base shape tool. Next, select the flat base shape type. Now, change the parameters according to the specification. Next, we set the parameters of the L-shaped sheet metal in similar way. When you activate the base shape tool, always appear the L-shaped sheet metal. Rename the sheet metal. Now, we select and set the parameters of the U-shaped sheet metal in similar way. The procedure is the same. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Now we select tub shape type and set the parameters of the sheet metal in similar way. The next sheet metal's base shape type is called hat. Here also you can change the parameters as you like. The last sheet metal base shape type is called box shape. You can modify the created sheet metal with other sheet metal tools like this. Extend the face by 4 millimeters to the middle of the box. That is for today. Follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD sheet metal. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.